hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing well, hope you are doing fine. I am Mariam Gangatewala, basically drama, and today's video is going to be super fun because I'm going to discuss my first with you all. So I have my questions here, so I'll be looking here. So yeah, okay. The first app I check when I wake up, I guess it will be WhatsApp. I first broken bone. I haven't broken a bone, touch wood. First foreign country, I haven't visited foreign. First Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook post. Okay, so I remember it's not there on my Instagram anymore, but my first Instagram was, I think it was some scenery from the north. Twitter, I will tag, and Facebook, I will tag. First makeup item, I guess it would be, I don't know, maybe Kajal. I think Kajal, yeah. First plane ride that I went on. It was from here to Ahmedabad. Oh no, it was from here to Ahmedabad, and we'd gone for some religious thing. I'm not religious though, just informing. First YouTuber you subscribe to. I'm so sorry, I have no idea. First time you went for shopping on your own. I haven't. I do online shopping, so if that counts, I think 4 years ago, but I'm not going for shopping on my own. First boyfriend or girlfriend? He was a senior when I was in school. Oh, what a mess. Anyways, first car not bought. First celebrity crush. My first and only celebrity crush will be Vicky Kaushal. First cooking experience. Oh, I remember this very evidently. I'd gone to my friend's place in the afternoon, and her mom was sleeping. And भूख लगी थी एंड घर पे कुछ था नहीं एंड मैगी था एंड वी weren't allowed to use the gas because it's very risky. I was 10-11 and नहीं नहीं बना लेंगे देख लेंगे कुछ प्रोसीजर पता है मैं हूँ मास्टर शेफ गॉर्डन टाइम से and then we actually ended up making it was pretty good. So it was 10-11. First ever cell phone. So I bought my own phone when I was in 5th grade, collecting all the money that your relatives give. But my own first phone was very young because I required it to be in touch with my mom. So it was, I think, the Nokia, not the Dabba. It's another Nokia phone. I don't remember which one. But my first ever phone was a Carbon A5 or something like that. Yeah. My first ever date. I haven't done a proper offline date, but I did have a very, very close to date with one of the people in the lockdown. First ever girlfriend. My only girlfriend's Nafisa. First ever kiss. I remember it was this guy in the society. Damn cute though. Not the guy, the kiss. Not really. And it was consensual. Oh. Are you asking about non-consensual? Okay, I'll go for this one. Oh, that got dark. But yeah, what I'm saying is that हाँ तो था एक हुआ था boyfriend के साथ. It was behind the society. It was raining also. Okay, sure. My first fear, cockroaches. First friend in college. This college that I am in, it will be Venetia. And then in my previous college, I didn't need to make friends because I had one of my friends with me. First heartbreak. वही वाला senior. First internet activity. College projects. My first job, it was being an assistant coach director at a firm for acting. First language, English. First love, Vicky Kaushal. First pet, I have 4 doggos now, but none of them are my first. There was one before them. Brownie was a stray dog rescued by my mama. That thing. My first piercing. So my first piercing was when I was damn tiny on my ear, and that closed because I was damn like cranky. And then in my 9th standard, I again had to go and pierce it, and it was hurtful. It's a normal ear hole. My first sexual experience. If you talk about first time sex, I haven't had, so it doesn't work. My first swear word. Guess I'd asked my mother. People would graffiti fuck around, so I'd asked my mother, "What is fuck?" But I think using, would have been it would be fuck, yeah. I don't start with Kutta Kamina and all, but I think I used fuck a lot after a point. My first start, I don't have it on. First thought today. Oh, it was about rushing into lecture. I was late. I got up a little late. First time on the ship. I think it was from so in Bombay. There's Dadar, and then from there to your SS World, you have to take a ferry. If that comes, that or Goa. Goa is the ferry. But if you remember proper ship, no idea, and haven't been. Oh yeah, actually Goa only. There are these ferries at night. I think that only. First time on train, no idea. Was damn young, I'm sure. First toy, I don't remember first toy because I was too small. But if I remember, I had this damn cute Tuffy type. Tuffy is the doggo's name kind of top. First YouTube video. Let's not talk about that. It was about 7 things I can and 7 things I cannot do. First movie I remember seeing, I think it was in the theaters. I think it was evidently Tare Zameen Par or Om Shanti Om. First horror was 1920, but I don't remember otherwise. First text I sent today was a good morning to someone, and then my first thing I do every morning is send me the text of good morning to that someone. First thing I do when I get, I think I pee. That's the first. No, remove my bra. So guys, this was my first of today, and I think this was fun. I hope you are doing well. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and let me know if you like this video. Should I do more videos like this? And then let me know which ones would you like. Have a good day.